Is it time to buy or sell Globovend Holdings Limited stock? In this video, we will explore Globovend Holdings Limited in depth. Our initial report was published on our website on Tuesday, the 1st of July, 2025. And we are here to offer you an even more comprehensive analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay informed about our latest analyses. You definitely don't want to overlook any important updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool, powered by GPT-4 at stockinvest.us. Tap into the potential of AI and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please remember that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be regarded as financial advice. Since the 24th of June, 2025, our system has ranked Globovend Holdings Limited as a sell candidate, assigning it a score of -3.13. Now, let us examine the stock's performance during this time frame. The stock has experienced a loss of 94.64%. This equates to an average loss of 15.77% each day since it was designated as a sell candidate. The current 3-month trend suggests a potential change of approximately 57.95% over the next 3 months, with a possible return ranging from 57.95% to 4,958.3 cents. Looking at the longer term, our 12-month analysis indicates a projected change of 21.68%. Based on our calculations, the stock's performance could vary between 21.68% and 3,249.40% over the next year. In current terms, this would place the future price somewhere between 8.15 cents and $2.24. Our latest daily update for Globovend Holdings Limited includes the headline, "Volatile Ride for Globovend Holdings Limited Stock Price on Tuesday, moving between 0.0621 and 0.0788. The Globovend Holdings Limited stock price fell by 41.99% on the last trading day, Tuesday, the 1st of July, 2025, from 0.116 to 0.067. It has now declined for 6 consecutive days. During the last trading day, the stock fluctuated 26.89% with a low of 0.0621 and a high of 0.0788. The price has dropped in 7 of the last 10 days, resulting in an overall decrease of 95.28% during this period. Notably, trading volume also decreased on the last day alongside the stock price, which is considered a positive sign as volume should typically follow stock movements. On the last day, the trading volume decreased by 96 million shares, with a total of 202 million shares changing hands, amounting to approximately $13.51 million. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest stock price reached $1.82, while the lowest price was $0.0621. Currently, the price is 96.32% or $1.75 below the 52-week high and 98.78% or $5.43 below the all-time high of $5.50, which was recorded on November 8, 2023. Globovend Holdings Limited, known by its ticker GVH, recently announced a strategic partnership with Strawberry Net Cosmetics. This collaboration aims to penetrate the $8 billion Australian beauty and cosmetics market. The partnership is expected to enhance GVH's visibility and market share in this growing sector. Additionally, GVH successfully closed a public offering, generating approximately $15 million in gross proceeds. This influx of capital is anticipated to strengthen the company's growth initiatives and operational capacity within the competitive e-commerce logistics landscape. The company has also recently regained compliance with Nasdaq's minimum bid price requirement, stabilizing its position on the exchange and potentially restoring investor confidence in its stock stability. In terms of long-term impacts, these developments could signify enhanced revenue streams and increased market recognition, positioning GVH favorably for future growth. In the short term, the recent influx of capital and successful partnership announcements may lead to heightened trading activity, possibly boosting the stock price as investor sentiment turns positive. Overall, GVH is actively taking steps to reinforce its market presence and financial health, which could drive its stock performance in the coming months. analysts have assigned Globevent Holdings Limited stock a general buy rating. They consider the price-to-earnings ratio to be neutral and the price-to-book ratio also as neutral. For return on investment, the analysts have labeled the stock as a strong buy. The following signals have been identified for Globevent Holdings Limited. Currently, there are few to no technical positive signals. The stock of Globevent Holdings Limited is showing sell signals from both short-term and long-term moving averages, indicating a more negative outlook for the stock. Additionally, there's a general sell signal arising from the relationship between these two averages, with the long-term average positioned above the short-term average. In the event of upward corrections, resistance levels are anticipated at $0.561 and $1.28. A breakout above either of these levels would trigger buy signals. A sell signal was generated from a pivot top point on Thursday, May 22, 2025, and since then, the stock has declined by 96.3%. Further declines are expected until a new bottom pivot is established. Moreover, there is currently a sell signal from the 3-month Moving Average Convergence Divergence, or MACD. The volume has decreased alongside the price during the last trading session, which diminishes the overall risk as volume typically follows price movements. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving Average Convergence Divergence, sell signal. Pivots, sell signal from 27 days ago. Bollinger, buy signal from 40 days ago. Short-term moving average, buy signal from 8 days ago. Long-term moving average, sell signal from 7 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages, buy signal from 6 days ago. If we look at the 12-month chart, we see short moving average, buy signal from 8 days ago, long-term moving average, sell signal from 6 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages, buy signal from 34 days ago. Remember to visit our page at stockinvest.us if you wish to find more signals. Support, risk, and stop loss for Globevent Holdings Limited. There is no support from accumulated volume below today's level, and under the right conditions, the stock may perform poorly in the coming days. This stock is likely to experience significant movement throughout the day, characterized by high volatility. With a wide prediction interval indicated by the Bollinger Band, it is deemed very high risk. Over the past day, the stock fluctuated by $0.0167 between its high and low, translating to 26.89%. In the past week, the average daily volatility has been 147.31%. Before we dive into the potential trading levels for Globevent Holdings Limited, let's quickly cover some essential fundamental data. First, we have the price-to-earnings ratio, often referred to as the PE ratio. This important metric measures a company's current share price in relation to its earnings per share. A relatively low PE ratio might suggest low expectations for the company's future or indicate that the stock is undervalued, signaling a possible buying opportunity. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for Globevent Holdings Limited. There is no significant resistance from accumulated volume above, which suggests that the stock could rise quickly under favorable conditions. In this scenario, you may want to enter a position and use volume as a guide for determining when to exit. Conversely, there is no significant support from accumulated volume below, indicating that the stock could potentially decline sharply under certain circumstances. It is advisable to proceed with caution and consider making trades only if you are an experienced trader familiar with navigating such situations. We currently hold a negative evaluation for this stock, and no stop loss has been established. Is Globevent Holdings Limited stock a good buy? Currently, Globevent Holdings Limited stock presents several negative indicators. Despite a positive trend, we anticipate that it will perform poorly in the coming days or weeks. As a result, our assessment of this stock is negative. We have revised our analysis from a strong sell to a sell candidate since our last evaluation. Upon reviewing the volatility and movements from the most recent trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is undervalued. For trading on Wednesday, the 2nd of July, we expect Globevent Holdings Limited to open higher by 230 cents and begin trading at $69.30. We remind you that trading carries a significant risk of financial loss. and it is advisable to consult with a financial advisor before making any decisions regarding the purchase or sale of securities. Your investment choices should not rely solely on the information provided by stockinvest.us. By utilizing this information, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment decisions. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Please share your thoughts in the comments below. What is your target for the stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a beautiful day. With regards from all of us here at Stock Invest.